Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Sola or Blitzen, and this is a channel full of EDM related things, comedy, gloving, acting, some stage combat. It's kind of turning into anything I want it to be. But today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be unboxing Emazinglight's new evolution chips. Now, I'm not actually sure if this is the evolution chip, so we might actually unbox this whole thing and find out it's not. So why don't you guys stick around and find out. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering why I'm holding a screwdriver, that's what I'm gonna use to open the box. So yeah, let's jump into the video. This is new. I've never unboxed anything on my channel. I'm feeling a little YouTuber-ish right now, so here we go. And I don't recommend clawing at it like a wild animal. It's like I've never opened a box before. Is this what YouTubers feel like when they just get to open stuff? Or just ripping into it? Oh shit. The small box really threw me off. Here they are, boom, in all their glory, and we don't need that. So yeah, the only ones that I have right now are the chromas. So these are what the spectras look like. Yeah, the boxes look like all the other boxes. It's nice. Pretty cool. That's what the back looks like. I don't think there was anything else in that box. Well, this. So anyways, opening up the box. And how pops this? I'll leave the box right there so you guys can look at it. We'll close it though. So maybe a little more presentable. There you go. So there's that. So I guess when you guys get them, it's gonna look like this. Let's see what comes in it. So you get this nice little pouch. Look at that. You get to store your gloves as if your pocket wasn't good enough. And the chips are already in the gloves. Again, I'm not sure if yours are gonna come like this. There's been a lot of times where I've had things sent to me that were kind of already ready to go. But that's probably because they might have been used before. And that's not saying that you guys will receive your gloves like that. That's just because sometimes it was like before things had come out, so someone had been using them. So you guys, I guarantee, will get your lights in great shape. They're not turning on, which I'm assuming they're probably locked. Anyways, get a sticker. Ain't that fancy. You get, wow, a whole booklet. This is basically all the instructions on how to use them. And yeah, this will be extremely useful getting started. Yeah, that's definitely for me because I am a complete moron when it comes to using any type of new glove technology. 2 batteries, which is for the hub, which now comes on a keychain. Oh my god, they can hang on my keys now. Wow, I'm really digging it. It's feeling very sleek. So, and this is the yeah, this is your hub. So those of you guys who've never owned spectras before, the hub is basically what is how you create your colors and flashing patterns and all of that, and then you transfer them to the chips. So yeah, what you would basically do, and I will go into this very briefly, is you'll download the app, and then with the app you'll work with this and then create your colors on your phone and then transfer them all to your gloves, which is pretty cool. Although if I'm correct, these are probably just locked and should have fresh batteries in them. Let's find out. It's very bright in here right now, so maybe I'll turn the lights off at the end. Although I still don't think that's going to do very much good. Yeah, these already, they're probably locked, which is probably why they're not turning on. Let's see. Holding it down. Ah, yeah, look at that. So, they have brand new batteries in them. If you hold them down, they're locked. So you hold them down for a couple seconds and then they're going to turn on just like that. Again, it's like broad daylight. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. So it looks a little dim from your guys' perspective, but yeah, they all work and function. And I think you know, this is pretty cool that you're ready to go. Good for me, someone like me who's a total idiot when it comes to the really technical stuff. You know, I'm technical in a lot of ways, and there's a lot of things I like, you know, like I love video editing, you know, like those types of things really, I enjoy them, but for some reason I just haven't figured it out in the gloves. But this seems extremely concise. I like that it's on just one page. That doesn't seem as daunting for someone like me who's all about efficiency. And I would say the main difference, so everyone's like, what's the difference? These are the Spectra Evolutions. I already have the Spectras. What's the difference? So the biggest difference that you're going to get is the size of these chips. So these are just so much smaller than, got my other set. These are I think these are the Chroma controls. So I actually have a Chroma control and I have an Inova, so you guys can really see the evolution of where we've kind of come with all the lights. Kind of cool. So here's the Inova. You can see that. Here is the Chroma. Okay, and this isn't the Chroma Evolution. This is just the regular Chroma control. And this is the Spectra Evolution. So if you want to see those side by side, there's a very clear difference in those. And I can even take off the diffuser, so you're not like saying that the diffuser's making it look bigger, but yeah. So there you go with the diffuser off. Huge difference. These are just way lighter right off the bat, which is awesome because when you're gloving, you're not going to really feel, or it's going to feel like your gloves aren't even there, which is great. Who doesn't like that? Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I'm really excited to use these. I'm going to do another video with me kind of going through how to use them. And I'm like extremely not technically savvy when it comes to lights. I kind of just like hope for the best, like my life. And so you guys can kind of see my process of how I put it all together and figured it out. The one thing, oh no, never mind. I was going to say the one thing that's a little frustrating is that it didn't come with diffusers, but it does come with diffusers. I just lost my diffuser. They do come with diffusers. They come with literally everything. You're ready to go the second they come out of the box. So these are really cool. I'll be posting a video with these somewhat soon. You guys enjoyed that unboxing. That was kind of different, low pressure. If you want to see more unboxings of stuff like this, maybe I'll unbox another glove set from, I don't know. Yeah, I'll do more. Leave a comment, like, and please subscribe if you guys are new here. I do really cool videos all the time, weekly. These are highly recommended. If you do want to purchase them, you can go to www.emazinglights.com and you can use code Blitzen, save 10%, and save some cash on these, and you get all this stuff with it. That's really cool. And these are still available online, so make sure you guys get to them quick because they're selling out super fast. On that note, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Thanks for watching.